The most common source for trash and pollution came from packaging. Basically, everything we eat comes in a package. It can be either plastic, cardboard, or metal, but it's hardly recyclable or reusable. We identify this as a problem because as students we tend to spend most of our times at the university, which leads us to buy food and as a consequence produce more trash. Our project started by defining our target users. This will be university students that spend more than 80% of their day at campus. We also did some research where we got that in Mexico. Every person produces about 170 grams of trash per day. Taking on consideration that every PET bottle weighs 100 grams and the aluminium bag weighs about 5 grams. We are talking about 7 PET bottles or more than 100 aluminium bags per day per person. After using several tools like Culture Probe, From to Exploration, Errors Map and 5 Human Factors, among others, we discovered more about where our project was going. We took our information and from there we got 10 insights. And these insights are lack of time, forgetting to make food, cravings, not knowledge at all, extra effort, irresponsible consumers, culture consuming, lack of consciousness, rethink the way of buying, trendy.
After getting our insights, we created the design principles that will take our project to the next step. From all, we only choose 4 that are the ones we consider the most appropriate, and they are: make packaging usable for more than one time. That means long-lasting packaging. It should be available in universities, so it's easy and fast to get for the students. Make it easy to understand so people can start learning about the topic without being exhaustive. And the last one, make students to be conscious about how packaging affects our environment and encourage them to feel part of a movement. These principles lead us to the determination of our first ideas. With the tools, principles to opportunities, and concept generating matrix, we got 3 ideas. Second life uses. Converting used packaging into something else. Either it is packaging which can be used several times or the packaging can be reused for other things. Cell phones app. An application for your phone that includes information posts, game that give you rewards or discounts, and a system where you can order your food before you get to the university or the cafeteria, so it's ready when you arrive. There will be an option to decide if you want to be handled a returnable container or if you want to get a disposable container for an extra price. This app will also include a machine that accepts PET and aluminum bottles and will keep a register of each user to reward them every time they achieve a certain goal or number of bottles. Enterprise. We create an enterprise where people can bring their packages to provide us material so we can create other type of products with this waste. The products that we will be creating are clothes, jewelry, accessories, backpacks, and school material. We also make charts every month about how much we have saved and recycled to promote the community to keep donating without motivating them to consume even more packaging.
These 3 ideas were evaluated according to 3 statements: innovative, feasible, and exciting. The idea with the tallest evaluation was the 3rd idea, because we consider it's new, it's simple, and it helps treating most of our users' pain. After evaluating them, we occupied another tool to corroborate if our evaluation was right. We also noticed that the second concept was also innovative and created competition among companies, but finally we decided that the 3rd idea was the correct one to develop. This concept, in comparison with the other 2, allows the students to realize the impact their diary waste makes. It also includes them directly in the process of transformation and the material collection. It involves technology as an essential part of the project, and the result gives income to the enterprise and allows it to grow so it can produce more with the recycled materials.
created using PART1.